Hello, guys, and welcome to our channel Vedix. In this program, we are going to start our new course on data science. So, before we proceed any further, let us first discuss the course's content. So, what are we going to study in this entire course? So, before we begin, let me tell you that this is a premium course which will cost you nothing less than 2 lakh rupees, Indian rupees basically, which is equivalent to almost 2500 United States dollars, which you will be learning here for free of cost. The only thing that will motivate us to keep providing you this premium course is your like, comments, and subscription. So like the video and go down to the comment section and let us know why you are here and where you are from. Me and my team members would love to know that. All right, so let me also tell you that this course will take you at least 5 to 6 months, because this is not just any course, this is a premium course, so you cannot do it in just maybe 10 hours, 12 hours, which you find it across YouTube. No, this is going to take you time. It is going to take you time, at least 5 to 6 months of your time. Every day you have to give in at least 2 to 4 hours, and only then you will be able to complete it in within next 5 to 6 months. All right, let us talk more. This course will also give you 4 to 6 capstone project, and there will be at least one project at the end of every module. Having said this, upon successful completion, we will also provide you with a certificate, and we will also help you look for a job across the world. So we are not just limited in the country of India, we are across the globe. We have got tie-ups across the globe. So if you don't have a passport, if you are an Indian citizen, or where you may be from any corner of the globe, so I would request you go get your passport done, because you don't know where the opportunity is going to come from. All right, so after every chapter there will be assignments, and after every module there will be a project which you will have to complete and send it to us at our email ID mentioned in the description. Our team will evaluate that, and in order to get assistance in doubts resolution, say for example you got some doubts while pursuing the course, so you can get in touch with us. You can email us, or you can give us a call on the number given us in the description. So let us talk about what are the courses contents, because before proceeding to the course, you should know what are the topics that we will be covering for the next 5 to 6 months. So very first topic would be Python, and post which you will have a mini project, and then we will have analytics frameworks, again a mini project. Then we have maths for data science, again a mini project. Then we have machine learning, mini project, business analysis, data engineering, and deep learning. So these are all the modules which we will be covering, and once you are done with all these 7 modules, you will have to do a capstone project, and this capstone project will be based on industry level projects, right? So this will not be just any normal project. This will be a industry based project which we will help you with, and I hope to see you in the next video.